Senator Larry George.
Colleagues, probably nothing is more important to the state's economy than small businesses, and I cannot express my support stronger for this particular piece of legislation. However, I want to point out the environment upon which small business is dealing with today. The House leadership proposed a tax increase this week that they called on 31,000 rich Oregonians. When we did research in my office, that 31,000 rich Oregonians were actually small and family businesses who filed their corporate and business taxes on their personal tax forms. 31,000 rich Oregonians, as they called them, were actually S corporations, LLCs, and partnerships that filed their business taxes on their personal income tax form, different than large C corporations. And the proposal is to raise their income taxes by 22%. So 65% of those 31,000 rich Oregonians are actually small and family businesses in the state. Another 8,000 of those tax filers are sole proprietorship businesses, people who are not filing under corporate tax, but all of their small business and family business income flows onto their personal tax form. So as we pass this piece of legislation, let it not only be a statement in some resolution that we pass across the floor, but let's implement that in the type of laws that we pass. And when we talk about revenue increases, let's realize that most of Oregon's small and family businesses pay their taxes on their personal income tax form, and that when we use political rhetoric about taxing rich Oregonians, all of us know the truth, that that is a tax on small and family businesses in this state because of our way our tax structure is set up. Already in the state of Oregon, if you're a small or family business filing under S corporation, LLC, partnership, and sole proprietorship, you already pay nearly 30% more taxes than C corporations in this state. Under the proposal from the House that came out this week, we could see taxes on small business be 50% higher than on big corporations. Now think about this. You could be making widgets, and you are a small business owner here in the state of Oregon, and an international corporation imports those widgets from China, and you both are selling widgets in Oregon. The fact is that you'd be paying 50% more to sell that widget on your income taxes. The fact is all of these policies that are coming through this building, we have to look at how that impacts small businesses in the state of Oregon. And I would say that HJR 43 is a vital part of a strong statement that we support small and family businesses in the state of Oregon, and then the rest of the policies that we pass out over the next 45 days through this chamber ought to follow the statement that we're making in HJR 43. Thank you, Mr. President.